Today I'm collaborating with David Griffin. We are having nachos, so make sure you stick around. For my toppings, I'm going to use a jalapeno, cheese, ground beef, olives, tomatoes, refried beans, sour cream, tortilla chips, green onions, and avocado. So first I'm going to start by just cooking my meat. This is simple. You want to brown the ground beef, and I'm using 80-20 here. So once the ground beef is done, I am going to remove some of the fat. Okay, so I'll also add my homemade taco seasoning mixture. If you'd like the recipe for this, I'll leave it down below. But if you don't want to use this recipe, you can also just buy your own taco seasoning pack from the store. And so you're going to add a little water and let it simmer for 5 minutes. So now I'm gonna work on the refried beans. This is simple. Pour it in a pot, add a little water, and you wanna thin down those beans so that they'll spread easier on the nachos, on the chips, the tortillas that is. Now basically I'm going to work on the rest of these ingredients. My tomatoes as well as my cheese. I'm using Monterey Jack and sharp cheddar cheese. Off camera I chopped up my green onions and I made guacamole, or we made guacamole. I didn't make it, but we made guacamole. We as in, you know, family. So I'm doing half ground beef and the other half is chicken. You can also get this recipe from David Griffin off of his channel. So once I've added my cheese, meat, my jalapenos, a little bit more cheese, I'm gonna pop these inside of my 350-degree oven, and I'm just gonna bake this long enough so that the cheese will melt. Few minutes later, I'm now going to just finish it off with the rest of my toppings, my olives, tomatoes, green onions, sour cream, and guacamole. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me let you get a close-up view of these here nachos. And stay tuned for more. Alrighty.
All right, let's see.
So I enjoyed this collaboration with David Griffin, aka my husband, okay?
I'm about to get some. All right, let's see. Oh, the presentation is spectacular.
Thank you.
Oh, man.
Ooh. How is it? It's good, huh?
You better get this.
Malcolm X.
Hey.
It's good. My turn. Oh, some sour cream on mine.
I've been here, yeah.
Wait,
This is so good.
Oh, cool.
By accident. Yeah. How's it taste, Elise? Thumbs up.
I feel good that.
This is my favorite part, the soggy ones at the back. Look at that. Look at that.
They fall apart though.
I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, but to get the full experience, make sure you stop by there and check out David's video where he's going to show y'all how to hook up some cheese sauce, okay? So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next one.